Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my weekly Walmart haul, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the haul. I received a new Dossier for July, and what Dossier is, it's a fragrance company that recreates high-end luxury scents, and they sell them for a fraction of the price. They have so many scents to choose from, your classics like Dolce & Gabbana and Chanel, and then really unique trending scents like Baccarat and Le Lobo. Scents start at $29 a bottle, and they have really good bulk deals. So if you buy 3 or more, you automatically get free shipping. They'll also have an additional discount depending on what promotion is going on that day. They have worry-free returns, so you have 30 days to try your fragrance. If you don't like it for any reason, you can send it back, and they do cover that return shipping. When you get your Dossier, the box looks like this. So it just has Dossier at the bottom, really nice, clean, classy packaging. You open it up, there's iconic scents, designer quality, no markups, and you always get a fragrance card. Today I'm trying Fruity Brown Sugar. The notes are bergamot, raspberry, pears, your top notes. Middle notes, jasmine, orange blossom, brown sugar, and base notes, patchouli, amber, and vanilla. And this one is inspired by YSL's Mon Paris Eau de Perfume. It's 18% concentration, and then they tell you how returns work and all of that at the bottom. So sometimes you'll get a little tester in here. You can use that, like throw it in your purse. If you don't have that, then you can go right to your bigger bottle, and it looks like this. So they have the notes at the top, and then your fragrance and Dossier at the bottom. So really nice to put these on your nightstand, your perfume tray, your vanities, and there's always that magnetic cap. Let's try out this scent. So this is a new fragrance for me. I've never smelled this one before. And right off the top, I can smell it's very fruity. And then it finishes kind of like pretty and powdery. But I think if you like fruity scents, but you want something a little more mature, like that's too young, or I don't know, you're just looking for something a little more sophisticated, I think this one's a really nice one. I think it's a perfect year-round scent. I think it goes well for so many different occasions. It kind of reminds me of a Lancome scent, maybe Absolute. I think it smells a little like Absolute. I'm not 100%. Or the name of the perfume is something like that. If you're interested in trying Dossier, I'll have everything linked down below, including my code JenniferL10. That'll get you an additional savings. I love so many of their fragrances. Right now I've been going to Floral Honeysuckle. I think it's a nice, like, pretty feminine kind of floral scent. It's perfect for summer. And I think this one is Gucci Bloom. So I'm not 100%, but I've really been loving this one. I also really like this one. I'm going to be going for this one as well. The first thing I picked up is this top from No Boundaries. So this one has elastic around the neckline, so you can wear it on or off the shoulder. Short sleeves. It has really nice seam detailing with these wood look buttons. They're just for show all the way down. Really good length, so you can tuck it in, have some coverage, and then it's that same kind of fitted style through the back. These are $10.98 sizes, extra small to 3XL. I did get my usual size medium. They're very true to size. It comes in 3 other floral prints, so I shared this one before. I haven't been able to wear it yet. I think I'm going to save this one for Labor Day weekend with that red, white, and blue. It also comes in a green and white floral and then a gold floral. I think pretty much all these are going to transition really nicely into fall. You can layer it up, denim jacket. This is going to look really cute with white denim right now. You can also do your dark indigo jeans, black slacks, a blazer for work. So lots of ways to wear it. I think they're so nice for under 11. Next thing I picked up is the Chambray top from Time & Tro. So this one has the eyelet detailing around the neckline. Also has that elastic so you can wear it on or off the shoulder. It's about an elbow length puff sleeve, so you can really exaggerate it, bring it down, and then a relaxed fit through the body. It's really nice and flowy, and that same kind of fit through the back. These are $18.98 sizes, small to 3XL, and I did size down 1 to a small. It's more of an oversized, relaxed fit. Comes in this mid-tone chambray, also the lighter chambray. I think this color is going to pair so nicely with all of your white denim shorts. You could do a white slack. And then it's also going to pair nicely with all of your solid colored bottoms. So you can do like a red, pink, green, your printed bottoms. So little skirts, high-waisted, tuck it in. Could leave it out, just nice, loose, and flowy. So I think these are so fun to style. The next thing I picked up is this top from Free Assembly. So this is a repeat purchase and they're on major sale. It has thin adjustable straps, V-neck with a little knotted detail, and then just like a nice kind of relaxed fit through the body. It's a poplin fabric. That's what it looks like up close. And then it has the smocking in the back for a really nice fit and just nice and loose, easy breezy. These were $16. They're now on sale for 9 sizes, extra small to 3XL. I picked up a small on this one. I have the blue and green gingham, which I love, in the medium. It comes in 2 other prints and colors, so I think these are so fun. Could really dress them up or down, and so nice for under $10. The next thing I picked up is this tank from No Boundaries. So these have this really nice kind of ruched elastic strap. Squared neckline with this like faux buttons all the way down. It is more of a shorter length but not cropped, and then it has that same fit through the back with the square neck. It comes down a little bit lower, so it's super soft, stretchy kind of fabric. These are so nice. These are $9.98 sizes, extra small to 3XL, and I did size up 1 to a large just for more of a comfortable fit. I feel like this one does run a little bit smaller, like shorter. So if you want that length, you could definitely size up. So I loved this green kind of floral. I think it's going to be so nice in the fall. Could also wear it now with your white denim, like really cute with dark indigo, like super boho. And then it also comes in this rust and white floral. I accidentally picked this one up in a 2XL. So I thought that was really pretty too, but I have to exchange it for size. They also have a black and white plaid, which is really cute, and then a brown kind of swirly print. So I think these are so nice for now with your shorts, jeans, and then when it gets cooler, you could just layer them up. The next thing I picked up is a pair of white denim shorts. These are from No Boundaries. I really, really love these. They're super, super comfortable, nice and stretchy. They have the 2 buttons, really good seam detailing. They're very high-waisted. And then, like I said, they're really nice and stretchy. They have that rolled-up bottom and then 2 pockets on the back. So no rips, no distressing, nothing like that. It's just like a solid pair of white denim. Just really like nice, stretchy, perfect for outdoors when it's super hot because they're nice and lightweight. These were $11.98. They're now on sale for 8 sizes 1 to 21, and I size up 2 to an 11. They're a little on the shorter end, so if you don't mind them being too short, then you could probably size up 1. But I really love these. I have them in the white floral, which are really pretty, but I just wanted a solid white pair, and then they also come in the dark indigo. So for under $9, I don't think you can beat it. And then the next thing I picked up is a pair of denim shorts from Time and True. So I have a few pairs of black shorts or black denim shorts, but they all have some kind of like fading or whiskering. I just wanted just a really good solid pair, and I like these because they do have really good length and they're stretchy. So they are more on the high-waisted end. They have the little pockets, and then the bottom is a roll-up with that raw hem. So you don't really see it, I think, with the black, but that is like an unfinished seam there. And then the back has the pockets. These were $13.98. They're now on sale for $10.98. Sizes 2 to 22. I got my usual size 6. They're very true to size, and they come in 2 other washes. So solid white and then a gray camo. I think these are so nice for the price, really nice and stretchy, and the quality is so good. The next thing I picked up is a pair of mom jeans from No Boundaries. So these are high-waisted. This pair has some bleach spots. There's rips through the leg, and then they're straight to the bottom. There's not a whole lot of stretch. That's what they look like on the inside. And then the back has a little bit more bleach, and then just some light rips. And straight. So these are $19.98, sizes 1 to 21. I picked up my usual size 9 in No Boundaries, so that's 1 size bigger than what I usually get. and they come in 2 other washes. So there's this light chambray, there's also a dark indigo, and then there's one other like medium kind of acid wash look. So I think this is just like a fun trendy look to try. The next thing I picked up is this sleeveless top from No Boundary. So this one is a sneak peek item. I'm going to share it in this week's shop with me. They're really nice and stretchy, have that mock neck, sleeveless. It says it's fitted, but I feel like it is a little bit of a flow to it. And then it has that same kind of fit through the back. So these are $11.98, sizes small to 3XL. I did size down one to a small, just for a little bit more of a fitted look. I probably could have sized down 2, so maybe to an extra small, just for that bodysuit kind of style. But this one comes in 3 other colors, so it also comes in olive, a brown, and then black. So in the neutrals, really good wardrobe staples. You can wear them now with your shorts, your skirts, and then in the fall, layer them up under your denim jacket, your cardigans. So I think these are so nice for the price. I also picked up a really cute set. So these are from Secret Treasures. The top has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, and then it's a super soft kind of terry on the inside. I wear these out even though they're from the Secret Treasures line. Like to go run my errands. Really nice relaxed fit, and then it has that raw hem at the bottom and that same kind of fit through the back. They are a little bit shorter, but I don't think they're cropped, so it's just like that smaller kind of boxy fit. This one is regularly of $11.98. They're now on sale for $5.98. Sizes extra small to 3XL, and I sized down one to a small. Comes in lots of colors, so there's also like purple, pink, there's some tie-dye options, a camo, and then a gray leopard. There's also palm leaves, so lots of different prints and colors. I think for under $6, these are so nice. I think the shorts are also on sale, but I decided to pick up the crop pants because I feel like I'll wear them more into fall. So these have an elastic waistband, the side pocket, that same kind of material on the inside, straight leg with the raw hem. It's nice and comfortable. These were $14.98. I'm pretty sure they're on sale for $11 in different colors and the same kind of prints and colors as the top. But how cute is that set? And then to go with it, I also picked up this headband. This one is from Time and True. Has the little knotted detail. I have this one in white. I really have been in a huge headband phase. So I think this is going to really finish that outfit. Just super easy to throw on in the morning, go run my errands, bring the kids where they need to go. And I'm pretty sure online this comes in a set, and they're also on major sale. I also picked up some shoes today. So these are from Time and True. They have that squared kind of front with the braided strap, and then the little ankle strap with the buckle detail. So you get a really nice fit, holds them on for you, and then the bottoms are rubbered. So super, super comfortable. These are on sale. They were $14.98. They're now on sale for $10 in store and online. They also come in a brown option, like a brown and beige. There's red and white. So lots of colors in these. I think they're so nice for under 10. I've also really been loving the Clairol Root touch-up. So usually I just share clothes, but I love this so much that I had to share it with you guys. I originally bought it because I get some gray in the front, and being like a darker brunette, you can really see it. And being in the sun and then in the pool and the beach, it's been fading super fast. So not wanting to dye my hair as frequently as I feel like I need to, I picked this up. And I thought it was going to give me like a really dark kind of coverage in the front, but it doesn't. It's very natural, and I've been loving it as a dry shampoo. So in the morning, I'll just spray my roots, kind of like do the rest of my routine. It's dried, and then I can style it. And if you have an oilier scalp, it works perfectly. Or if you don't like to wash your hair like as frequent, this one works really nicely. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and it's under $10. It says spray away gray in seconds, perfect for fast drying coverage on the go, covering high amounts of gray. I really didn't kind of like coat it on, but I could definitely see a huge difference when I did use it, and it takes 60 seconds to dry. So it's made in Germany, and then it says temporary lasts one wash. So I really do love this. I know it comes in an auburn, a black, and then like maybe like a lighter brown, and I've been using the dark brown. So I didn't use it today because I just dyed my hair, but I did use it the last video, and I think somebody might have commented on the hair, so that was thanks to this. But that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in Dossier, make sure you use the link down below and my code Jenniferl10 for an additional discount. If you like these hauls, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're doing this month's giveaway, make sure you leave that fruit emoji down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.